Canadian market are one of the most closed and protected market in terms of access of cheese and dairy products on their market, because their policy mainly concentrated in Quebec province. So now, for the first time, they open an important TRQ for Europe for access of this cheese.
Figures will hang the puzzles apart. Questions of science.
The member states who have some packages on agri-environment support at national level or at regional level will have to prove the equivalence based on some indicators that we will propose in this delegated act.
Nobody said it was easy. No.
And now the negotiations around the Fisheries and Maritime Fund are about putting together an instrument, a funding instrument, that will match that and will deliver it. So that's the first big news. The second big news is the integration and the understanding that Europe is underestimating how much its maritime economy, its potential maritime economy, can do more in the future than it's doing right now.